Okay. What we got is a older steam boiler here, and we got to do the gas valve on it. So there we go. Got a Honeywell, but I don't have a Honeywell in the truck. And let's see. I'm gonna have to look this valve up. I'm gonna get on there, little guy. Hopefully this isn't a slow opener. We got an on and off switch. I can't tell. Off.
There's a lot of stuff.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff here.
And I don't think I can even get any of those wires right.
You don't think so? Nah, it's not that hard. Alrighty then. Oh, Hercules. Hook it right on in. Jeez, oh beads. Great. Geez, oh Pete's. Gonna have to use the wrench in the opposite direction. I don't have the white Rodgers, so I mean I don't have the Honeywell, so we're going to use the white Rodgers. And yell at me for using tape, because I hate pipe dope. And I think we're going to have to push this down. Comes 3/4. And the inlet is half, so we're good there. did I do with my tape? Grab another one. Grab another one because I got all kinds of tape on the bag. And we'll put that on there. Don't tell me I put that on wrong. Did put it on wrong, put the tape on the wrong way. Take that out. Flow. Oh, no wonder why. I put it on upside down. I think it did. Yeah. That means I put the tape on the wrong way. It was the right way the first time. It's gonna go. There we go. Let's try this again. Try it again, try it again. Well, if I put this valve out like that, I'm not going to get the door on. So the valve is going to have to go like this. So don't matter which one. THTR. Okay. Thermocouple here. Get on there, wrench. And pilot tube will go up here, just in a different location. It will screw in. There it goes. Hopefully you guys can see through. See what I'm doing. And let's see.
Oh, you don't mind if Katie watches, do you?
Oh no,
She's interested.
that's fine. She was down here already. I'm just taking a video while I do this too,
Oh.
if you don't mind.
No, I don't mind.
I'm almost done, Katie.
Yeah.
You missed all of it. You went back upstairs. Or were you peeking around the corner?
No, someone had homework.
Oh, homework.
I have to finish that.
Are you
Today, because I couldn't do it yesterday, so.
are you virtual this year? No, you go to school?
Mm-hmm.
My kids are virtual. A little different gas valve,
Okay.
but it does the same thing.
Yeah.
My dad also has one of those.
Yeah.
He also has a total.
Well, this is your papa's.
Oh.
I'm just borrowing it for a minute.
Oh, Brian Days. That just called blow.
Did it kick over?
What was that?
Did it light?
No, not yet, because
Oh.
I gotta bleed this darn thing out because
Oh.
this line is so small. It takes
Yeah.
forever to get it going at the start. I hope that's what it is.
We are blankets. It's like we are blankets.
I took that line off too, and I tried to blow it out as best I could.
There it goes, a little tiny thing. Just there's so much air in that. You gotta bleed all of that air out of that line.
I touched this guy. Yeah.
I know that's the thing about basements. They're always dirty and nasty.
A full spider webs. I thought that this was like a spider web or something. It's a puzzle. I was not going to turn that off. I'm not going to pull it because I don't think it's a lot harder. So like it's off.
Oh shoot, I forgot to put something in here. Maybe that's why it won't light. Because it's got a little jumper I gotta put in here. I always forget about that until I can't light it. There we go.
That's actually kind of like me. I like always forget to do something. I almost
It happens. But that's how you learn how not to forget.
Right.
Mommy does it too.
Yeah. I think we all do it. So don't feel bad.
Right. The most painful lessons are the ones you learn the best.
Yeah. All right, so do you have the thermostat on upstairs?
It's not. I can go turn it on.
Yeah, if you could do that, we can get this thing started up here.
And I'm going to go do another apple. And come back downstairs.
All right, let's see if she starts up. Okay. Let me see why this thing isn't starting up. There it goes, it just lit.
Now, is there anything I should do, like an annual thing to clean this thing out, or?
Have you had anything done to it?
No.
Alright, so over here, one thing, you know, this steam system shouldn't run above, I mean, this thing should run about a half PSI.
Okay.
You shouldn't almost see anything register on here.
Got it.
This thing is set, it's kind of set to 2 PSI, it's kind of high. One thing, these, if you can look over here and see, there's a pigtail right here.
Yeah.
And with these boilers, you get a lot of sludge in those pigtails, and this is what controls the pressure. So it will throw the pressure off, or it won't see any pressure at all, and it'll just keep on firing and firing and firing, costing you a ton of money. So annually you should have someone come out, clean the pigtail out, check water levels, make sure the water feeder works and the low water cutoff works. Make sure we test our TNP too. So you don't really do too much with it, do you? I mean, you just basically turn it on, let it run, and it's good to go.
Yep.
So I mean, those are the things I would recommend.
Okay.
I can't do it right now.
Yeah, no problem.
Or you can give us a call back and I can come out and we can get it taken care of.
Okay.
But right now you're up and running.
Good deal. I do appreciate it.
Sorry I was running so late. I had continuing education today, so I had class till about 2:30. Went and did another call. Now I'm doing another call here, and now I gotta go to St. Clair and do another call.
It's all good. No problem.
So we should be all set.
Cool.
Let me get you an invoice and we'll get out of here.
Okay.